Hi guys, this is a quick tutorial on how to edit a template that you may have downloaded from Etsy. If you're here because you bought one of my templates, thank you, and let's get into the video. First thing you will need to do is go to the Canva website, www.canva.com, and sign in with an email. Type in your email address. A code will be sent to that email address. Type it in. When you get in, they ask you a series of questions. Just answer however you like. They also offer you the paid version. You don't really need it unless you want to access extra graphics and features. When you see the confetti, then you're in. Next, go to your digital download and click the link. This will open up your template. So all parts of the template are editable. You can change the flowers and change them for something else. You can change any of the elements. You can change the font. Just whatever you want to change, you can change it in Canva. To edit the picture in the frame, you'll need to upload the picture file you want to use. Then hover the picture over the picture frame and it should fit in the frame. If you decide you don't like the picture, click on the garbage can and delete the image. If you mistakenly delete the frame, you can undo the action by clicking the back arrow at the top of the page. To send the document, when you're done, click share and then download. And you can send it in any format you like. And that's it. Thanks for watching.